Guys, hello to you from South Korea. We are in Seoul and it's absolutely exclusive moment right now because we're staying with you near all new KIA EV9 and this is insane. Get ready to get all the main information about this vehicle in this video. Have a seat and have fun. Let's go! Guys, let's start with exterior design, and first of all I want to talk with you about these beautiful wheels, 21-inch wheels, very unusual design, and there are two types of such unusual design. This one is first one, and here you can see another one, triangle design. I love it. Please give me which one you like more. All new EV9 here we have in beautiful matte color, and you can easily see a lot of very strong lines because of this matte color. Very huge and aggressive lights. I love them. They remind me a little bit Escalade, maybe previous generation, but they made an absolutely another and unique style. Here we can see some organic elements. We saw it, for example, in all new Kia EV6, and now we see it here. Overall, if we're talking about front part, it's so aggressive, it's so beautiful. Just have a look on it. I think this is absolutely amazing. And also, if we're talking about front design, it's called like tiger face design, yeah? And I really feel tiger here. What about you? Let's continue our exterior review, and from this point of view you feel how this car is massive, yeah? And also if you're talking about SUV models from Kia, this is the biggest SUV, and I think you feel it, you see it. Here I feel something the same with new Range Rover, maybe the same with Volvo XC90, yeah? And also I'm really in love with this super unusual window line, yeah? This is something new. Let's go closer to the back part. Here it's made in unique Kia style. Yes, so here we have this triangle, very beautiful one. If we're talking about the best exterior part, if we're talking about design, for me it's front part, it's super aggressive. Rear part is amazing too, but front is just the best. Here we have really huge spoiler. Just look on this design. It's really big and gives a lot of beautiful style. In the back, charging port. This is fully electric SUV. Hop, and it's closing with the button. Hop. If we are talking about powertrain, we have a Kia EV6 GT with 600 horsepower. Yeah. I think we can see in this car in maximum version around 500 or 600 horsepower too, with two electric engines, and I think it will go to 60 miles or to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 4 seconds. We'll see. I think it will be very, very interesting to drive it finally one day. So guys, welcome inside to all new EV9, and I'm really in love with this interior. It looks really premium, all new, and this is absolutely amazing. First of all, you can see this all new wheel. It's very like luxury looking and very nice leather and very sporty form here, a lot of angles. That's cool. Also, here we have a huge gear selector, and this part is really big, and it reminds me how it was look like on old American cars. Yeah, this gear selector, like huge part. That's a little bit funny. Next generation of multimedia system. One moment, let's go, for example, here. Works really good, looks very good, very simple, but works perfect. And also here you can see invisible buttons. This is very cool, really, guys. I love how it looks like. And near of multimedia screen we have new feature. This is like climate control screen. It looks very nice too. Yeah, let's try to touch it a little bit. Yeah, I love it. Maybe it will be not so comfortable for passenger to set it up because it is too far from him, but looks really nice. And also we have new dashboard with new dashboard designs, but this is not a final version of dashboard designs, so later we'll see them in some other. And here you can see that it's written like over 400 kilometers, and so it means, I think, that when car will be fully charged, we will have around 500 kilometers of range, so it will be more than 300 miles. Pretty good numbers, yeah? So welcome to the second row. Overall we have 3 rows here. So this version is for 6 passengers, but also you can have it for 7 passengers. And there are some interesting features here too. For example, USB ports inside of the seats, which is very comfortable for rear passengers. And this seat, you can change position of it just by using these buttons. They are here, and that's a very comfortable feature too, which is interesting. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our short but interesting review of all-new Kia EV9. I'm really happy for the brand because I'm a fan of Kia, and now they have such cool SUV. They have some other nice SUVs, for example, like Kia Telluride. I'm really enjoying it. And this one is absolutely next level thing. Give me your thoughts in comments. What do you think about this all-new Kia EV9? And see you in new videos. Bye-bye.